the
scary.
buttons.
Okay,
Now we have to
go
eat them
to the
trees.
gate. Okay, you gotta
It's scary.
distract him while I press 2 buttons.
Yeah,
Okay?
Okay.
a scary game.
Get the one here, you.
Big scary.
Nutcracker.
Why does my voice sound like that?
You nutcracker.
Level 2.
That's why you never call him a nutcracker. You nutcracker.
Press the 4 button.
You take away from my crease. You monkey. Literally. I can see all of this. That was just an all-out war. Okay, I think third is outside. I know what to do next. He's totally trying to bump me in the head.
No.
Get psyched. Bro got psyched on.
You stupid monkey.
Oh, I hate this.
Oh, I love this level. I see a banana. Guys, I see a banana.
Where's furry pockets? No, guys. I'm back.
I saw Rick. His name is
You can't just report me for copying.
Banana.
Let me go on YouTube and see if guys, the wheel is probably over here. No, guys. Guys, I have the wheel. Green, I have the wheel.
Okay, show me where the wheel is.
Guys, just follow me. It's this way.
Imagine he just tricks us.
Right here. The wheel.
On.
Oh, preciousness. Okay, guys.
Yeah, get the wheel.
I heard that earlier.
This way. Where's the wheel? Where's the wheel?
I just got the wheel.
Is it over there? Is it over there? Yeah, it's somewhere over there. Turn front. Okay, guys. You know where the like exit is?
Middle.
Mid? Okay, guys.
Yep.
Let's run for mid. 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. 1.
Go to the middle. Go to the middle. Go to the middle.
Just run. Run for your life.
Does anybody know where they're gonna go?
Yeah. Just keep running.
I-
Just keep going. Nope. Guys, run. I just saw Mouse's tail.
Run, 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 run.
But he's not coming for him. He's not coming for us. Oh, yeah, he is. Run. Run.
Oh no.
Bro, I see. Yo, run. Run, little bots. Run.
Run, you fat.
You okay? Run. Come on, bots.
I think he's stuck.
Yo, get jukes.
Just go.
Guys, I found it over here.
Ooh.
Oh no. Guys, go to green. Go to green.
Yeah, go to mine.
No, it's yes.
Anything else? It's question mark.
Yeah, it's yes.
Guys, you're wrong. It's question mark. It's question mark.
Hold on, hold on, hold on.
Come on. Me and you go. I promise.
I just want it to
Right.
be. I just want it to be tree green.
Go down. Guys, wait for me. Guys.
Oh, it's the vent.
Hey, Ricky. Hi, Ricky.
Guys. Can we skip this level?
Yeah, we want to skip this level.
Fine, we can.
Okay.
We'll skip.
level 6.
and keep
I don't
being
even do
toxic
anything.
so
I
you
don't
get
Level 6.
Maybe
Level
it's
6.
just
Level
a-
Oh, I know this level. I'm going for the win.
Guys,
Run.
No key. Going for the other one.
guys, where's Key?
Someone was about.
No. Yo, you know one level I got the eyeball stuck in my hand?
See?
Come
Get
here!
back.
Come here! Come here!
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Come here! Oh,
Hey, no.
Just run.
go guys, just run!
Bro, where's this key?
Up your butt and around the corner.
Check next side.
No, fine here. Guys, don't look in the
And don't go outside. Yay.
Bro, I can tell you guys really wanted to die.
It's time to go. Goodbye.
Guys, they're here.